A very warm good afternoon to all of you. As you all know that we are studying chapter ecosystem, and in ecosystem we are studying a topic named ecological succession. Okay, in that I have told you that how the composition of ecosystem has changed. Yes or no? Okay, so yesterday I have told you about xerosphere. Okay, that how changes took place in a xeric condition. Today I will tell you that how the changes will occur in your water bodies. Okay, and that is known as your Hydrach condition or hydrosphere. Clear? The steps to follow ecological succession in any of the ecosystem is same. Okay, whether it is xeric condition or water bodies. That is, first step is your nudation. Second is invasion. Then aggregation, competition, and then changes in the ecosystem, and finally the formation of the climax community. Okay, about all these things I've told you in my yesterday's video. I hope so that you all have remember about all these things. Okay, so today I will tell you about that how succession will take place in your water bodies. Okay, this is your water body. Okay, suppose it is a lake. Understood? So now we will see that how it will take place. Student, it will occur in 7 stages. Okay, first is your phytoplankton stage. Okay, that is the pioneer species of your Hydrach condition. Clear? Understood? Means the succession will take place from your phytoplankton stages. What are these phytoplankton? Okay, these are, I have told you earlier also that these are microscopic organism, okay, that is found in your water bodies. Okay, so they are present at the deep, okay, in your water bodies. Clear? Then student, if you want the example of such phytoplankton, they are your diatoms or dinoflagellates. Okay, whenever they will die, okay, they will add more mud at the bottom of your lake or water bodies. Okay, as I will show you now. Suppose some of the phytoplanktons have died. Okay, due to this, see here, organic matter has been added into your water body. Okay, now soil is there. Okay, earlier the depth of this water body was from here to here. Okay, but now it became from here to here. This much has been occupied by the soil. Okay, and now this soil is suitable for the growth of your next community. Okay, and that community is known as your submerged stage. Okay, and in your submerged stage, okay, those plants will grow which have root. Okay, as now they've got the soil in which they can grow their root. The example of your submerged stage is your Vallisneria, Utricularia and Hydrilla. Clear? Okay, students, with time these submerged stage organism, they will also die. Okay, and they will add more soil, they will add more organic matter, okay, into your water bodies. Okay, I hope so that it is visible to you. It will add more water bodies, and it will give rise to free floating stage. Okay, means those organisms whose root will be attached to the soil, but now they can free float over the water. Clear to all? In short, I just want to tell you that the death of the previous organism or those organisms which are present in previous stage will add more and more organic matter. Okay, and that condition will be suitable for the next stage. Getting? After free floating stage, there would be reed swamp stage. There would be reed swamp stage. Okay, and in this the depth of your water body will be only 1 to 3 meters. As the death of organisms added more and more organic matter, more and more soil, so it is obviously that depth of the lake would be less now, and it will become more shallow. Clear? Next is your marsh meadow stage. Okay, the example of this is Juncus and Sage. Student, what will happen that by this lake will become more shallow, okay, as the addition of more and more cereal community is there and they are dying, okay, every now and then, and they will add more and more organic matter. Normally we say that succession is of plant only, but no student, succession of plant and animal, it is going simultaneously. Okay, and the death of both will add more and more organic matter. The result of it, what will happen? Okay, the depth of your lake would be less. Okay, see here, earlier it was this much, now it is this much only. Okay, now more deaths occur. Okay, now see here, more organic matter has been added. Okay, more organic matter has been added. Now your scrub stage came. Okay, the example of your scrub stages are Salix, Populus and Cassia. What will happen? And in this, okay, your plant will be seen above your water bodies. Okay, your plant will be seen above water bodies, but root will be attached to the soil only. Okay, why? Because now soil has been reached up to this stage and it is now very much shallow. Earlier this much, this was this much deep, now it is only this much shallow. Clear? Now with time what will happen, that diameter will also be less and depth will also be less. For example, see student, here you can see, okay, that how your scrub stage is growing. Okay, root is in your water bodies and major portion is above it. Okay, with time more and more organic matter will be added. Okay, and it will decrease the diameter also. Okay, it will decrease the diameter also and depth will also decrease. Clear? And then student, finally what will happen, climax community will grow. Okay, and with time from here to here, from here it will form a forest at this area. Understood? Because with time what will happen, diameter will decrease, and here it would be your forest only, because death of your previous organism is adding more and more organic matter. Understood? That is essential for the growth of the next stage. Okay, I hope so that you have understood. Dear students, in my previous videos I told you that no matter wherever succession take place, both will reach at the mesic condition. Mesic condition means the condition where moderate water is present. Okay, if I talk about Hydrach succession, more water is there. Okay, so it will also try to move toward the mesic condition. Okay, for example, I have seen here, okay, that what happened earlier, more water is there. Okay, now slowly it is going to that condition where there is moderate water. Okay, and similarly in my previous lecture also I have told you that in your xeric condition also, okay, where there is no water, it will also try to move toward the mesic condition where there is moderate water. Okay, so I hope so that you have understood. In this just we have studied about different stages of your Hydrach succession. Okay, phytoplankton, submerged stage, then your submerged and free floating stage, then reed swamp stage, then your marsh meadow stage, then scrub stage, and finally your climax community. And dear student, remember that type of trees in the forest, okay, it will depend that how much rainfall is there. Okay, and according to that it will be named as evergreen or deciduous. Okay, so I hope so that you have understood, okay, today's lecture. For any query please to call me. Thank you and have a very nice day.